What's that?
What is that? Oh my god, there's help. Wait, that's so heavy.
You got it. Oh, you got it. There's something in the side there. What you got? Hello YouTube and welcome back to the Fishing Net Treasure Hunters. Now today we are in Pickets Lock. Now we like to bring you some fantastic spots here on the fishing net. One of the reasons why we've chosen this spot is in the 19th century this whole area was pretty much used for outdoor pursuits, for sort of hunting and fox hunting and ferret hunting, so shooting and everything. So as you can imagine, that whole land we're showing you right now used to be full of green and used to just, like I said, just used to be hunting. So we're here today, we're going to magnet fish, we're about to cast right under this bridge, we're going to see what we can get. Let's go, cast this nut. There's something down there after the first cast. Let's have a look, see it. Got it again. See? Is it moving or not? Nothing. Lost there. Little recasting thing, I guess. Nothing there. There's something there, definitely. You can see it on the rope. Yeah, go for it, stuff. Very green and murky. As I said, you never know. Yeah, definitely something in that corner. Sorry about the wind, it's quite bad condition today. Nothing. Might have something. There looks like there was something. Put it up. Let's see. Yeah. Get it out there. Oh, just more sort of springs again, is it? I wish to bring a perfect human being reflecting the best order. Scrap with him. Yeah, scrap with him, yeah. Another bit of scrap recycling. Yeah, it will help the river, doesn't it? Yeah?
How long has it been there?
Well, like I said before, I mean the whole area behind us was sort of covered in green and now it's all getting redone, so let's see. Yeah. Alright, so another cast. I think in a second, Snaf, I think we need to go up to the bridge. I think we need to cast down, get to the centre, and let's see what's there. One more cast here, and then we're going to head up. Go. Steady. Go. Always tell by the rope. Unless you get something small, unless you get something, there we go, you see that straight away. There's something there, isn't it? There really is. You need to get that double, triple magnet. Yeah, there's pressure on the line, we're just about to pull it out, see what we can get. What's that?
What is that? Oh my god, there's help. Wait, that's so heavy.
You got it. Oh, you got it. There's something in the side there. What you got? Been at this for ages. Oh, careful, don't let it back up in there. Yeah, there you go. Anything else in it?
Just a little double check.
Yeah.
Easy,
Wow.
isn't it?
Yeah.
What's the money, man?
That's almost what?
Yeah,
Is that 35 years old? You know, guys, you just never know what you'll find. You don't lose that. Bit of the old treasure hunting, that is.
If anybody knows about it,
You can barely make the name out.
I know,
It's a Mrs. Acres, I think. If anyone knows a Mrs. Acres, Pickets Lock, there you are.
Little
Comment below. Just trying a different direction, different angle, just to see if we can bypass whatever that is. I mean, hopefully you've been with us on this journey so far. We're going to find something here. At the end of it, not a lot. Another cast. Yeah, the wind, isn't it? Yeah, something on the line, hopefully. It's been a while. What were you? You can see it, yeah, you can see it. There's definitely something there. You see that a lot, can you see it? Yeah, but another cast to see if you can get it out. Still. You got something there? Let's see. Let's try and get it out. Yeah, get it. Yeah, I can see something. There we go. There we go. Mystery at the moment. Oh, don't get to that bar again. Oh, what we have? Let's stick that on the floor snuff and have a little look.
What's that?
A little building joist or something, doesn't it?
Oh, I think it's a part of the boat.
Yeah.
Something. Yeah, it's got two holes there.
Oh yeah.
Oh, no, man. This is the key for the gate.
Really?
Yeah.
Is that what it actually is?
Sure, that's the...
Oh yeah, that's from the lock. Yeah. That's doing something in favour. I guess we'll leave it there then. Clearly they're going to